it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video. It's my weekly grocery haul. I went to Walmart and Aldi. I still need to make a trip to Dollar Tree, so you guys will see a separate haul for Dollar Tree items, a few household things I need to pick up. But everything you're looking at here on the table is about $100 worth of stuff. I did a major stock up on chicken because there was a sale going on. So let's just go ahead and get into it, shall we? I'm going to start with Aldi. On this end of the table, I picked up a couple of loaves of white bread, a couple of containers of sour cream. We have a baked potato bar on the menu this week, where we just kind of bake up a bunch of potatoes and put a bunch of toppings out. People can kind of stack up their potato however they want. I can't talk today. However they want. We also have tacos on the menu, which is what the flour tortillas are for. I picked up a couple of these wing sauces because they just looked intriguing to me. I've never tried these. I don't know if they're any good. If you guys have tried them, let me know. But I got the Asian Kick wing sauce, which is sweet and spicy, which is my husband's favorite thing. And then I got the Parmesan garlic because it just sounded good. So hopefully those are good. I picked up some black olives. We're going to do a taco salad. In addition to tacos, we're also doing a taco salad this week. We're going to kind of split it up a little bit. I got some mild cheddar cheese for those baked potatoes, some Black Forest ham, picked up some green onions, that's also for those baked potatoes. I got some apples, little jazz apples, some mandarin oranges, those were on sale, some Roma tomatoes, a couple of boxes of cereal. I don't usually go for stuff with marshmallows, but I thought it'd be a nice little treat for the kids for the weekend, so I got the marshmallows and stars and the crispy rice. Like I said, I did a stock up on chicken, so we needed chicken breasts. We're going to do a couple of meals with chicken breasts, so I picked up a big thing of chicken breasts and then a smaller package of chicken breasts. I didn't really need two big ones, so that's kind of how I did that. I picked up these chicken thighs with the bone in and the skin on. They were $2 off, which made this whole package like $2.40. So I don't know what we're going to use it for, soup or something maybe, but I couldn't pass up that price. And then they had $2 off these really great looking chicken wings, and I thought those would go great with the wing sauce, so I picked up those as well. So lots of chicken. We'll be stocking our freezer with some of that. I picked up a dozen eggs, which had gone back up in price, which was a bummer. They've been 88 cents this last couple of weeks, but they were back up to, I think $1.39 or something. Gallon of milk. Picked up a few of these sparkling waters. I decided just to try the unflavored one since I'm adding water enhancer to it anyway. Thought that would be a good idea. And then I picked up my favorite so far, which is the grapefruit. And I drank this straight up with nothing added to it. It's so good. Highly recommend that one. So I picked up those for my beverages for the week. That was it from Aldi. Moving on to Walmart, I picked up a couple of bags of chips. I got the sour cream and onion to go with some hot dogs. I picked up hot dogs at Gordon Food Service last night. I decided against sharing that haul just because we did it last night. My husband and I went, and it's already all put away. I didn't want to drag it all back out. But one of the things I bought was a big package of hot dogs. So we're going to have hot dogs with potato chips one night this week. Picked up some nacho cheese tortilla chips. Those are to go in the taco salad. I got some cheese singles. Some smoked sausage. We're going to do smoked sausage and mac and cheese. You guys are going to see all of these meals in a Meals of the Week video if I can get my act together and film that. So maybe this is a little redundant, but there you go. I got some taco sauce, some salsa, coffee creamer, Italian sweet cream for me, original for my husband, like we always do. A couple of boxes of the deluxe mac and cheese to go with the sausage. The bacon pieces are to go on those baked potatoes, can of coffee. Robbie really wanted a sketchbook. He wanted a little mini sketchbook. He's a huge artist, so I picked that up for him. Deodorant for my husband. He was all out, so I picked up that, and also bar soap for my husband. This is the one he uses, the Dove Men Plus Care in the extra fresh formula. I got some heavy whipping cream because we're going to do a chicken Alfredo. That's one of the meals we're going to do with some of that chicken. Dishwasher detergent. It seems like we're going through this stuff ridiculously fast lately, but needed more of that. Paper towels and paper plates. So that's it for my grocery haul this week. I'm going to put the totals on the screen, but like I said, I think it's right around the $100 mark. So I got $20 to take with me to Dollar Tree to pick up what I need there. Alright, you guys, so I said earlier in the video that I was going to film a separate Dollar Tree haul, but there's just not enough to warrant a second haul, so I'm just going to tack this onto my grocery haul. Show you the things I picked up at Dollar Tree. I got a spray bottle. My husband requested this for some sort of cleaning product that he wants to use. I picked up a little treat for the fam. The fudge striped shortbread cookies are so yummy. We needed sandwich bags, so I picked up those. Those are for Eric's lunches. Picked up some baby shampoo, a couple of bottles. I also picked up some mouthwash. Austin was all out of mouthwash, and he likes the cinnamon mouthwash, so I got him that, as well as the cinnamon toothpaste. I don't know how anybody can use cinnamon toothpaste. I don't like it at all, but my kids like it, and my husband likes it. So, that's that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.